Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to change Airbnb notification settings from your computer, whether you're managing multiple properties or simply want to customize how and when Airbnb reaches out to you. Adjusting these settings gives you full control over your communication preferences. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to Airbnb.com. Once the page loads, look toward the top right corner of the screen where you'll see the Login button. Click on it and enter your login credentials to access your account. This ensures you're working with your personal notification preferences and settings. After logging in, you'll be back at the Airbnb homepage. Now click on your profile picture or icon, which you'll find in that same top right corner. This will open a drop-down menu with several account-related options. From this menu, select Account. This section is your hub for managing all personal settings, from payment methods to privacy controls. Once you're in the Account section, direct your attention to the left sidebar where various menu options are listed. Look for and click on Notifications. This is where Airbnb centralizes all your communication preferences, allowing you to fine-tune exactly how you want to stay informed about bookings, messages, and updates. Inside the Notifications menu, you'll see different categories broken down by type. These might include messages, reminders, and promotional alerts, among others. Each category serves a distinct purpose, helping you stay on top of guest communications, booking deadlines, or special offers from Airbnb. For each notification type listed, you'll notice a drop-down menu that lets you choose your preferred delivery method. Click on the drop-down to select whether you'd like to receive that particular notification via email, SMS, or push notification. This flexibility ensures you're notified through the channels that work best for your routine. Go through each category and select the method that suits your needs. If there are certain notifications you'd rather not receive at all, simply click the toggle switch or uncheck the box next to that notification type to disable it entirely. This is especially useful for cutting down on promotional emails or alerts that don't apply to you. Once you've customized everything, take a moment to review your settings and make sure they align with your preferences. Depending on your account setup, you may need to click a Save button to confirm your changes, or they might save automatically as you go. Thanks for watching.